Hello, my name is Philip and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today I will explain to you how to use specially and especially. Both especially and specially are adverbs. Especially means in particular or most of all. For example, I like food, but I especially like sandwiches. He's often a little late, but he was especially late today. She looked especially beautiful that night. Specially means for a particular purpose or in a particular way. For example, this sandwich was specially made. They had a chair specially designed for her size. The animals are specially trained to locate the mushrooms. Remember, you can practice these and other grammar tips directly with me, Philip, at any time via skypeclass.com. Good luck with your studies. Goodbye.